The Progress Report is one of the class reports available to educators through a Zearn Math Teacher account. This video will provide a detailed walkthrough of all of the data and insights in the report. Teachers can use the Progress Report to see where students are in the digital sequence and keep students on track to complete all grade-level content during the school year. Let's dive in. The Progress Report table shows what portion of the Zearn Math curriculum each student has completed in the independent digital lesson progression. The missions for each grade level are laid out in the shaded bars next to students' names. The length of each cell corresponds to the number of lessons in that mission. The color coding helps illustrate what content students have completed, shown in the darker color, and what content students have yet to learn in digital lessons, shown in the lighter color. For example, here we can see this 4th grade student has completed all of Mission 1 and is part of the way through Mission 2. To see more detail on student progress within each mission, click on a mission cell. The pop-up provides the date the student started working on the mission, as well as the number of lessons and bonuses completed. Each filled-in circle indicates a completed digital lesson. If the lesson has a star, it indicates the student also completed the bonus question aligned to that lesson. This progress data can inform teachers' small group lesson planning, helping them create groups of students working on similar content or of students working on different independent digital lessons. To see if students have completed the Zearn Math curriculum in any other grades, navigate to the right or left using these arrows. The arrow at the top will shift missions shown for all students in the class, and the arrows in each row will shift just the missions for the individual student. The next column provides the current lesson each student is assigned to. Clicking on these cells brings up data on the name and focus of the assigned lesson, as well as the completion status of each individual activity within the independent digital lesson. The table can be sorted by clicking on any column header. Teachers can sort by the assigned lesson column to see students in order of their current lesson, and use that to more easily inform student groupings and instruction. The last 2 columns show the students' total number of lessons completed or badges earned, and total number of bonuses completed for extra challenge or enrichment. Visit the Zearn Help Center to learn more.